Hey everyone, today I'm going to be planning out the week of April 4th through April 10th in my life planner. Okay, so let's take a look at the previous week. I used this absolutely gorgeous Chrissy Ann Designs kit. It is from the Celebrations collection. There were a few spots that I didn't get filled in, but for the most part, I'm really I love the way that this turned out. I really, really do. Yes, it's very heavy on the stickers, but that's how I like it some weeks. Other weeks are not so heavy on the stickers, which is great also. Like this one's a little bit sticker light, if you will, and then this one definitely didn't have quite as many back for St. Patrick's Day and so on. But this week, oh my god, I knew that I wanted to use just about every single sticker from that sticker kit. I kind of consolidated all my sheets and I'm down to like one sheet. I used it in my daily. I love it. I also did set up a plum paper vertical priorities spread using this kit because of course I just love using all the planners, so that's what happened there. All right, so let's flip to this week. Oh my goodness. So I feel like I'm still recovering from yesterday. Yesterday was Saturday and I pretty much did nothing but watch Bridgerton and go pick up my Stony Clover orders from Target. Yes, I said orders. Oh my gosh. I even had a friend of mine pick up something for me in the Chicago area because ours, I put something back and I have like all the regret in the world that I put it back. So then I went back online to go try and buy it and it was gone. It was gone. It's a whole thing. But anyway, I grabbed a bunch of things. It's my first time ever owning anything from Stony Clover and I'm super, super excited. So I'm using kit 418 from Planner Kate. It's kind of funny because this reminds me of some of the patterns, like the rainbow patterns on some of the Stony Clover items. I didn't get anything in the rainbow pattern, but everything was so friggin' cute. I couldn't even handle it. All right, so let's start off with the rainbow washi. I just feel like with this week's weather, this is just the best. Oh my gosh, just the best. So much fun. Okay, so I did say that I wasn't going to use the thick washi again, but you guys, look at how cute this is. Like, how could I not? It's so freaking pretty. This is probably one of my favorite kits from Planner Kate from this recent release, or this one for April. It is just so well done. But when I do use the thick washi, I feel like it does leave me scrunched for space in this planner, mainly because there are times written in it. So I feel like if I'm following along with those times, it's not going to fit. And I like how I just cut that off and I have like another perfect little sticker there. That's so freaking cute. So I may end up using some of this in my daily as well because I always end up ordering like way more than what I need to order. But because I use multiple planners, there's nothing wrong with that. I haven't really been ordering like specific kits for my daily planner because I love using leftovers in my daily. So that is what I have been doing. So when I order extra stuff for kits, I'm really not using all of that. Let me grab my tweezers here. It's always just so much easier. I don't have like nails on anymore, but still with the tinier stickers, it is much easier to do it with tweezers. Okay, date covers are down, and then what I think I'm going to use for the weekend sticker is this polka dot washi strip from the full box sheet. These full boxes are freaking adorable. I don't have a whole lot to put down for this week just yet, so I may actually use a good deal of the full boxes. Okay, and on the main sampler sheet, it does have this full box right here, and I think I'm actually going to use it to cover up the April part in this spread. I don't always cover the April, but the sticker's too cute, and like I said, I would probably use the majority of these full boxes. Okay, next I want to set up the sidebar. I love that on Planner Kate's kits she includes the to do, to go, and to call, so I think I'm definitely going to use those. So like I said, yesterday I spent the majority of my time just watching TV. It was like one of those days where I just needed to not constantly, I had like a whole list of things to do, that's for sure. Did I get them all done? Absolutely not. But it felt good to literally just like lounge around and do nothing. It was like I have not slowed down in a really, really long time. And this past week at work was a little bit more hectic than normal. So overall, I just felt like really, really drained and needed a good Saturday of just vegging out, watching TV, not focusing on being like the most productive person ever. So I did have to move a lot of things from my list on Saturday to my list today on Sunday. But today, like I said, I felt really recharged and ready to go. So I'm really getting a lot of things checked off. Like this is my list so far for today, and it's been not too bad. We're right about here right now, but I've still got a lot of things that I need to focus on. This was yesterday, and as you can see, I was like, took a nap instead. That's like the best Chrissy Ann Design sticker ever. So we've got the sidebar done. Let's move on to Monday. For the first time in forever, sound like the movie Frozen. I do not have anyone to onboard at work. I'm gonna grab my ruler here though, because I want to mark out the area for meals, but I don't have anyone that I need to onboard, which is great. The last few Mondays we've had new hires, and I do the orientation, like going over benefits and all that fun stuff, and you know, other company policies, procedures, all that fun, boring stuff that is like, I don't know, I really think, like in thinking about it myself, having been a new employee at a company, obviously, I feel like those types of things should come like later on in the week. Day one always seems like so overwhelming. So from like an employee standpoint, I'm like, do we really need to do all of this on day one? But obviously there are some things that you have to do. A lot of our onboarding is done online before the employee even starts the day of. So that's great. But yeah, still it takes up a lot of time on a Monday when that's what I have to do. Although this week is payroll, so my Monday and Tuesday are definitely going to be very, very tied up. Okay, so Monday at 9, I do have a meeting. I kind of went out of order here because I want to put my videos, of course, but need to make sure that I mark this meeting. It's not one that I can miss. And before I forget, the pen that I am using is the Uniball Signo. It is the 307. I've had a few of these for a while. I was actually cleaning out some of my Alex drawers in my office and found them and just started using them. And it's kind of like my current favorite. You guys know I switch pens up as often as I switch up planners. So, but this is a great one if you're looking for a pen to try. All right, I love this little add-on sheet from Planner Kate. It's add-on sheet number 10. It comes with some additional half boxes and some event labels, and they're just perfect. So I'm gonna use them for my videos this week. So obviously we have this weekly plan with me, and Wednesday is going to be a daily plan with me because I thought that would be fun to finally do a plan with me in the daily planner that I am using for now. I'm really, really loving it. So actually I want to do a different sticker than that one. Let's do daily plan with me here. I mean, heck, there might be 2 daily plan with me's. Who knows? I may end up using that sticker anyway. And then Friday, I'm not sure of, but I'm probably going to end up filming it on Friday, and it will go up later in the day. So I've kind of been looking at my analytics on YouTube. I don't know if you guys are even interested in hearing this part, but it actually does tell you when more of your subscribers are online and watching your videos. So sometimes that can help out with the decision making as far as what time of day you post your videos. And I have on occasion posted much later in the day, and I have noticed a difference, which is really, really helpful to see that. So it may be something that I change up in the future. I don't know, but for right now, I'm going to try to upload them in the morning, but on days like my Friday videos is probably going to start being a little bit later just because of my current schedule. Okay, so on Tuesday I have an 11 o'clock meeting and a 2 o'clock meeting. And then just to finish adding some meetings on Thursday, I have one at 11, This is that time of the month where we have a lot of our HR meetings as far as an HR team across the country for our company. I actually really like these because it's a good chance to connect with the other HR professionals in our company, see, you know, we can talk about like policies and things like that, what's working, what's not working. We're actually in the process of rewriting a lot of policies at work. Super, super fun time. Okay, so that is it really for the meeting part. On Friday though, that is a work from home day for me, so I'm actually gonna use this sticker, the yellow event label, and I'm gonna move the video sticker down just a little bit since that will go up a little bit later. All right, perfect. Okay, so that is it for work things across for the week. So across the bottom is where I typically put, at least underneath the dinner part, where whether or not I'm working out or editing a video. So I'm hoping I left myself enough space down here to put that here, because Monday and Wednesday will be workout days, and then Tuesday and Thursday will be editing days. And it looks like I did leave myself just enough space, so that is perfect. And then Friday, I don't really have to worry about doing either one of those things. Thursday afternoon, I am going to put in some laundry time there because that is typically when we're doing like our midweek laundry, and I think I'm gonna put it, I don't have any more plain event labels. I probably should have grabbed a few more of those, but I can put it on this yellow and then use the laundry machine sticker. That is so cute. I love the little doodles that are included. I said on Thursday, not on Wednesday. All right, there we go. And then definitely want to mark payday. So it is payday for, I think it's mine this week. Yes, put that right about here. I'm trying to make sure that I leave space to put the weather across the top there. And I think I'm going to use this little star here for payday. And I think that's all for Thursday. Friday is trash day. We finally got a date for our bulk trash, so that's when we get to put like larger items out to the curb, and I'm so excited about that. So we've already started the staging of things in our garage for things that are going to get thrown out. One of them being a small love seat in my office area. That is, it was just a bad decision on our part to purchase it from Amazon because it is super, super flimsy. So we're gonna hopefully get rid of that and make room for something else in that area. All right, Friday is our movie night. So I'm going to grab this little TV and this appointment label and put that down here. So I still did have a decent amount of space on here. It's just, I don't know. I'm still on the fence about using the the larger washi across here. It looks cute, but I just wish it was a little bit like a hair smaller. Like thick washi, but not that thick. So you can, well, you guys probably can't see it, but if it was just one line shorter, that would be awesome. And I realize just now that I could take my ruler and cut it down, but then it would cut into the clouds. I'm overthinking this. Okay, moving on to Saturday, we're going to have our usual clean house, and I think maybe there is something for cleaning on here, maybe not. That is okay. I'm kind of like, oh, why isn't there something for cleaning the house? I still have to clean my house though, sticker or no sticker. So I think I'm just going to use this washi and then a appointment label. God, I hope I'm really not cleaning that long. Let's cut it off at 11. That's the limit. Let's use this. Actually, let's just use the clean house sticker because I think it's going to be too long. Oh, it doesn't matter. We'll just layer it on there anyway. All right, there's that. And then on Saturday afternoon, I'm going to try to make some time to film then. Like I said, I would have had a lot of my filming done yesterday, but I was like, nobody can pry me off of this couch right now. It is just not happening. I feel like I want to use something smaller than that because I still want to be able to use up these full boxes. It's just so much pink. I ran out of all of the other colors. Oh man, that's okay. All right, then on Sunday is going to be the usual grocery shopping, and then really that's going to be it for Saturday. Like we've had, all right, and then on Sunday we're going to do our grocery shopping. I was able to do that this morning, get my car washed, put gas in the tank. It was great to kind of get all of those things done, like all within an hour and a half or so. And honestly, once all that stuff is done, I feel way more prepared for the upcoming week. All right, and then for Sunday afternoon, I'm just gonna put Sunday prep, and then in my daily, I can elaborate more on that. I'm not gonna make like huge lists in here because that's what I use my daily for. Okay, perfect. Now we can start putting in some full boxes. All right, I think I want this main rainbow one right over here. On Wednesday, it just feels like it's closer to the middle. All right, and then I don't want another rainbow one because there's so much happening up here with rainbows. But I think we'll use these hearts over here on Tuesday morning. But that's going to create a bit of an issue with the weather. But what I will do is just kind of bring it down a little bit, or cut it down with my painter's knife, and that should do it. Let's see how this looks. Oh, not too bad. Okay, it's a little bit crooked. I could probably clean that up a little bit better, but that's gonna work for right now. I think that we will use this star over here on Monday afternoon, leave myself some room to add some things in there. And then let's do some of these raindrops right here for Thursday. Oh, that is a close fit. I think I'm gonna move up this appointment label just a smidge. All right, and then let's do a rainbow for Friday and this pink one for Sunday. I'm not really sure if I will get in a label there. I think it's a little bit too tight, but that's okay. We'll leave space there because on Saturday I may put a few more things that happen that day. Okay, I think that works for this week. I absolutely love this kit. It is just a beautiful kit from Planner Kate. I will definitely be purchasing it again. All right, guys, that is it for this week's Plan With Me. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.